Jakinera tich oganda e pacho kae Boniface Mwangi kod nyawadgi ma Uganda Agatha Atuhaire olero kaka ne ondhigi kendo sandgi e piny Tanzania. Jokene ratich oganda go singo mar donjo ne piny owacho ma Tanzania kuom rocho ratichgi. Lipota marwa Collins Okaka miyo waler mathoth ewi wachni.
Jokedo ratich oganda ariyogo ne mirima omako kane gichiwo sigana e sand mane gikalo e lwet apisas mag obila mar piny Tanzania ma bende noweyogi kod hinyruok e dendgi. Boniface Mwangi man jakedo ratich oganda mawuok e pacho kaendi wacho ni nolonye duk kigoe ka bende notimne timbe mag galagala. Ka ketho margi maduong' en ni ne gidonje piny Tanzania mar winjo bura mantiere do momako jatend duond bura mar Chadema Tundu Lissu.
I've gone through all manner of the hell, but I've never gone through the kind of physical torture I went through in Tanzania. I spent three nights, 3 days, handcuffed, blindfolded, so there was no stimuli in my mind. I was afraid that they might kill me. When they were driving that very long distance, I thought I was going to get dumped in the Serengeti, beaten by wild animals, but that did not happen. And so I have a second chance in life. We both have a second chance in life. And I think it would be allowing them to win if I stop doing the work that they've been doing.
Mwangi wacho ni sirikand Kenya ne ondhoge kaluwore kod chung' margi mar siro okang' mane okawo kod piny Tanzania.
When he spoke, he did not apologize to me, he apologized to Tanzanians that he took our bad manners to Tanzania. So it's very clear that our government had a role to play in our country.
The CDF in Uganda, who is also the president's son, sort of retweets, puts the tweet and says, that's why she's my favorite. Deal with them or something like that, you know?
Kakor kakore jakedo ratich oganda mawuok e piny Uganda Agatha Atuhaire ne bende piwang'e mol ka olero kaka ne osande malich mokalo e lwet apisasgo, kama bende okoni ne oroche nyaka ratiche kane chwade ka embede nolonye duk.
So when they are using sexual violence, rape is associated with shame and stigma. They use that so they know that it will inflict maximum pain, but also dehumanize, shame you. And it has worked in Tanzania because people come out and they say, I don't want to be looked at as a rape victim. Shame. And I dare them to publish those videos.
Jokedo ratich oganda go koro ramo ni gibiro kawo okang' kokalo nyimdo ne piny Tanzania kaluwore kod midhiero kod sand mane gikaloe e lwet apisas mag pinyno.
So you're filing a case in Tanzanian court. You're going to sue the Tanzanian state in Tanzania.
And we are going to sue them in every other avenue. Where we will find justice is where, because the international justice process requires that you first exhaust local avenues, and we have to do that. But like I said, we cannot expect justice from Tanzania, but we want to exhaust all other avenues, regional, the EACJ, which unfortunately also sits